Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video I am here to update what's in my bag summer edition. I feel like I haven't done this for a while, so I decided to do this and take an advantage to introduce you to my new favorite summer bag. This is the bag I've been using for almost every single day. It is Songmont's handbag. If I have to describe this in 3 words, I would say cute, minimalist, and practical. It's all in one, guys. It is super durable piece, very nice material, very well made. It is super fun to use this one. This bag is in some collections and I got this in small size. I was debating between this size and the mini size, but the mini have a different shape and I didn't like it, so I decided to go with the small one. It is the same shape with medium and large, which I love, and I was looking for the daily mini bag, so I decided to go with the small one. Plus currently I'm not working, so this is good enough for my daily bag. It's made with Milfine cloth leather and the interior made with suede leather. And what I really like is that it comes with the pocket pouch, which I'm gonna show you once it's empty, but that is what I am obsessed with. So that is a quick update on my bag, and now let's see what's in my bag. Let me show you guys what I have here. It's actually a lot. And of course, first I have my phone. This is the 14 Pro Max. This case is super cute. If you guys are interested, I will put the link in down below. I got this from Temu. By the way, I'm sorry about the lighting, but I will try to be quick. Next, I have my YSL envelope wallet. I talk a lot about this bag. It's my whole time favorite wallet. And if you are interested in specific video about this one, I will leave it here. It's very nice and functional wallet. And let me show you guys just quick. I have all my cards and everything right here. I only put the cards that I use daily, as well as coins, because I don't want to ruin the wallet. Okay, next is the hand sanitizer. It is Touchland. I bought this because of the packaging. It's super adorable, but it's actually smell very good, so yeah. My little chocolate. I think this was when I had a vendor and someone just gave it to me. So next I have my car key. This makeup bag is for Mercury dust bag, but I think it's very cute and I can use it for something else, so I use this as my makeup bag. I have my brush. The brush on 3CE is my favorite face brush, and this is in shades Rose Beige, and I love the peachy look. So the hairbrush, my lip oil, this is from Merit. They sent it to me and I actually pretty love their products. Next, I have the concealer, just in case I have some pimples and I want to cover it. And a couple of my lipsticks. One is from Korean brand E2D Fixing Tint. It's lightweight lip tint and I really like it. The color is also amazing. And another one is from 3CE. It is the Wet Lip Tint. I realized I look good in this pinky peach shade, so most of my lipsticks are in these shades. Those are from my makeup bag, and inside this bag, as I mentioned earlier, it comes with the pocket pouch, which you definitely can detach it. Here is how it looks. It looks like a mini pouch that has the pocket in the front, and in the front I have my hair clips right here. Inside the zipper, I have Charlotte Tilbury powder and lipstick. These are in mini size, so it's good for travel. And I heard a lot of good things about Charlotte Tilbury, so I decided to get to try this. And it's good that it has a mirror, so I can take a look when I am out. I don't really put much in this pouch though, just because I don't want to fill the space with this pouch so that I can have more space for this bag. Lastly, the most important items is the Dossier perfume. If you follow me for a while, you probably know Dossier is my perfect perfume company that I've been in love with. They reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at affordable price, and now it is their time to shine because they create a new amazing scent. This is the Golden Rum and Amber. This scent is one of my most favorite so far. It's 10 out of 10. If you like Replica by the Fireplace, you will love this one. It's not exactly the same smell, but it's pretty close. If you are interested in their originals, I strongly recommend this scent. The smell just hit the spot and it's perfect for this cozy season, and I'm so excited to wear this for this whole fall. It will come in the box like this, and if you are not happy with the scent, you definitely can return within 30 days with no question asked, which is amazing. I will put the link in down below just in case you are interested. And those are what's in the bag, and here is the closer look of the interior. These two buttons are for the pouch. There is a magnetics here too to secure the bag, as well as on the sides. You can put this under or on top, it's up to you, but that is the shape of it. Once it secure, I use top handle a lot because it's cute, but sometimes I also use it as a crossbody bag as well. It's also very cute too. I don't know, the size is just like right for me. You can adjust the strap, and I usually go for the first hole both sides to fit my height. This hangs perfectly by my hip, so that is cute. That is it about what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. And if you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!